Welcome to Focus English with Cece.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back. Have you ever heard a lion roar so loudly that it makes you step back? Or watched a penguin jump into the water like a little comedian? That's exactly what I experienced on my day at the zoo, and I can't wait to tell you about it. Are you ready? Let's begin. That morning, the sun was shining and the sky was clear. I woke up early feeling full of energy. I stretched my arms, washed my face, brushed my teeth, and put on my favorite blue t-shirt and black sweatpants. I packed my little black backpack with a bottle of water, a sandwich, my hat, and of course my camera. I smiled to myself and whispered, "Let's go." Outside, the world felt fresh and alive. When I walked to the bus stop, there were already people waiting, chatting quietly. Soon the bus came, and I sat by the window, watching shops, houses, trees, and even a small park pass by. I felt excited, like a child on an adventure. When the bus stopped in front of the zoo, I looked up and saw the big, colorful entrance. There was a giant sign that said "Zoo" in bold letters with pictures of lions, elephants, and birds. Families were everywhere, children holding balloons, parents taking photos, and people laughing together. I walked to the ticket counter and said, "1 ticket, please." The woman smiled and said,
"That will be $10.
I handed her the money, and she gave me a small ticket that felt like a key to a new world. I thanked her and stepped inside. The moment I walked through the gate, I could hear the sound of animals in the distance. Birds were calling, monkeys were shouting, and somewhere far away, a lion's roar echoed. I held my camera tightly in my hand, ready to capture every moment. The first animals I saw were the lions. They lay under the warm sun, their golden fur shining like fire. One lion opened its mouth and let out a deep roar that made me step back. Not far away were the elephants. They were huge, with wrinkled gray skin and long trunks moving slowly. One baby elephant splashed water, and everyone laughed. Later, I reached the monkey area. The monkeys were full of life, swinging from tree to tree, jumping quickly and making funny faces. One monkey hung upside down, and I couldn't stop laughing. The zoo guide walked by and said,
"Did you know parrots can live for more than 50 years?
I looked at the parrots with their red, green, and yellow feathers shining in the sunlight, and I thought, wow, these birds are amazing. Then came the giraffes, tall and gentle, eating leaves from the highest branches. Zebras walked gracefully with their black and white stripes. A baby zebra followed its mother closely, reminding me of family love. The penguins walked in a funny way, small and clumsy on land, but in the water they were fast and free. One penguin jumped in with a splash, and I laughed again. The crocodile was lying still near the water, its sharp teeth showing. I stepped back carefully because it looked dangerous. Then I saw the flamingos, standing tall with pink feathers shining in the sunlight. They looked calm and graceful in the water. After walking for hours, I felt hungry. I went to the cafe and ordered a sandwich and orange juice. I sat in the shade, enjoying my food slowly. Next to me, a family was eating pizza, and 2 children shared a big ice cream. Their laughter filled the air, making the day even warmer. In the afternoon, the sun felt soft and peaceful. I walked along the paths, enjoying the flowers, plants, and colorful signs. Butterflies danced in the air, and one landed on a flower near me. Before leaving, I visited the souvenir shop and bought a giraffe keychain to remember the day. At last, it was time to say goodbye. I walked back to the entrance, turned around one more time, and smiled. I could still hear the animals in the distance. On the bus ride home, I looked at the photos on my camera. Each picture reminded me of the laughter, the colors, and the joy of the day. I was tired, but my heart was full. That was my day at the zoo. A happy, colorful day full of animals and memories. Now, let's take a moment to learn some English from this story. We will start with vocabulary, then move to sentence patterns, and finish with a little grammar. Ready? Roar, meaning the loud, deep sound of a lion or other big animal. Trunk, meaning the long nose of an elephant. Feathers, meaning the soft covering of a bird's body. Souvenir, meaning a gift or item bought to remember a special place or day. Peaceful, meaning calm, quiet, and without stress. Playful, meaning full of fun, wanting to play. Wrinkled, meaning having small lines or folds, often on skin. Entrance, meaning the place where you go inside a building or area. Ticket, meaning a small piece of paper that allows you to enter or use something. Excited, meaning very happy and eager about something that will happen. I saw plus object, meaning this pattern is used to describe what you looked at or noticed. There were plus noun, meaning we use this to say that something existed in a place. I felt plus adjective, meaning this pattern is used to talk about your emotions or feelings. I bought plus object, meaning this is for when you buy something. It was plus adjective noun phrase, meaning we use this to describe a situation, a day, or a thing. Past simple. We use it to talk about things that already happened. Structure, Subject plus past verb plus object. Thank you for listening to the story today. I hope you enjoyed the story and practiced some real-life English. I've created a free PDF with new words and sentence patterns from today's story, along with easy examples. It will help you learn more easily and more quickly. Also, just click the link in the description to download your free PDF gift. If you liked it, don't forget to subscribe for more gentle stories. Keep learning, keep smiling. See you next time, my friend.